Everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of improvements on Gmail app. To know how to fix or how to solve improvements on Gmail, we click on settings. You click here. In this page, you can click on apps, defaults, apps, app settings. When above, you can search about Gmail app and you will enter. Then you can click on first step and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. In the end, you can go to Play Store, you can search about Gmail, and you can update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.